Super great morning. Today it is the 10th of February 2025 and welcome to a new vlog. Today I have a flight to Bangkok, but right now I'm getting ready to go to the training college. I promised my best friend that I will meet him there since when he has a meeting. I have to get my laundry and drop some dirty stuff, get new ones, fresh ones. And we have a few plans, me and him, for the day. First one, we need to go and get a scale for weighing ourselves. He wants to check his weight, so we're gonna go get a scale and I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. But right now I am walking guys, to the laundromat. Yes, I'm walking. I decided to walk this morning because I just want to be more mobile since, well, I've been having like back pains and stuff and I don't walk often, so I'm just gonna be walking today. I'm gonna try it out and see if I will like it. Maps says that the laundromat is like 20 minutes away. I'm already behind time. I need to run today basically, but anyway, let's go. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I already have my bag with my laundry with me. The only thing left is just for us to go. I have my tag, I have my bag. Yeah, let's go guys. I don't know why. Do I usually forget that it's cold, guys? Like, it's cold and I have a t-shirt on. I'm gonna have to soldier on, yeah, because I'm not going back. Let's go. Also guys, like when I'm walking alone and wearing trousers, I have a different walk. Like I have this manly walk that I have. Now I'm discovering cafes and nice restaurants and stuff, so might as well walk every day. I have arrived after 15 minutes. I would do this but not on a sunny day. Yeah, on a cool weather like this, yes. Octavio!
Look at that heart. So sweet.
So we are going to
The mall.
the mall.
To go buy a scale.
Yeah, because someone is obsessed with weighing himself.
You have to say that.
If obsessed with my weight was a person.
Me. Definitely. Definitely me.
So let's get the scale and see how much he weighs, and we better come back and
But
tell
I
him.
ate.
It doesn't
So
matter.
obviously I'm full now.
It doesn't
So-
matter. He must come back and tell you guys that
You weigh yourself in the mall.
he weighs 90 kgs.
What? 90.
I went to shop for one thing, and I came back with. Let's take a look what I got. I'm gonna do a very quick haul because I need to prepare for my flight. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what I got. Initially, this is what I went to go get, right? A scale. So we got a scale. Isn't it cute, child? A dustbin. And then I got this. I'm gonna put it in my bathroom, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna put this in my bathroom, so we'll see. Then I got this. It's giving, right? Look at it. Child, it's giving. It's giving. It's giving. Like day to day is basically like a maraba stud. You get it. And then I got myself a laundry basket. So I'm gonna be putting my dirty clothes in here. I got more spoons and teaspoons and whatnot. And then I got these to put my perfumes and my toiletries in it. And I also got
Because of who?
this, everything.
Because of who?
Okay, so there are a few things that they put in the bin. So there is this. I was wondering why the bin was so heavy actually. I got this. And last but not least, the hand soap thing. So yeah, that's all that I got at day to day, aka Maroba Start, aka Josie MTN. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys in Bangkok. Welcome to a new day. Today it is Tuesday. Today it is Tuesday. Excuse me. Every single day I'll be doing this because I lose track of days, and I try to do this so that I remember what day it is, especially for my vlogs. But yeah, today it is a Tuesday and we are in Bangkok. Yeah, we're in Bangkok in Thailand. We got here in the morning at 7 a.m. and the local time right now, it is currently 22:03 in the afternoon. So I got here in the morning, I was super tired. I got here, did what I did and ate and slept. The reason why I did that is because I realized actually that this flight is an awkward time. If we land in the morning, it means that if I have to do everything that I want to do, I need to do it during the day, because the following day we leave exactly in the morning. And the hotel is quite far from the airport, so time is wasted as well in that regard. But yeah, I couldn't do everything right away because I want to go for a massage, I want to go look for my favorite detergent, wipes, and the stuff that I like from Asian countries. So yeah, I'm gonna do that just now. It's almost 3 p.m. and initially this is the plan that I had in my head. I was gonna go shop and then come back, drop the stuff, and then go to the massage. Massage should be the last place, but guys, I'm too lazy to do that method of coming back with stuff and going out again. No, so I'm just gonna go straight to the massage place, have my massage for like an hour 30 minutes, and then once I'm done, I head to the shop or to the mall, get the things that I want to get, and then come back so that I know that it's chai. When I'm done, because this thing of going out, coming back with, no, it's not gonna work for me. I'm too tired. No, I thought I had energy to do that, but I don't have any energy. I am currently operating on a 2-hour sleep. I slept at 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, woke up at 2. Yeah, it's literally like 2 hours 30 minutes of sleep that I had. Maybe that's why I feel more tired right now. But yeah, I cannot not go for a massage in Bangkok. Okay, I need to. It is a must. So yeah, take this advice from me. When you are in Thailand, go for a massage. It will help you one day. But yeah, so I'm gonna do all those things, and I'll try to take you guys with me, because the problem is I'm going out alone. I'm not going out with any crew. I already know my way around Bangkok, or where the hotel is, and so I'm going alone. I might be camera shy, I like to take videos, but I'll try. Okay, all right, let's go. It is currently 1 a.m. and I thought I should make this video because I have nothing to do and I was busy editing my videos. I'm like, might as well. So my wake-up call is in like 4 hours, so I need to sleep in this 4 hours. I'm gonna try sleep. I made myself some chamomile tea. Hopefully it will help me to sleep. Earlier on, I did what I said I was gonna do. I literally went straight to the massage place, and guys, I've had massages done in Thailand, but the one that I had last night or yesterday, I've never had such a graceful massage. That woman literally handled my body with care. Not only with care, not that I've been abused, no. Because in most massages that I've gotten here in Thailand, they are very soft. Like, I wouldn't feel like I've been to a massage after paying or after going for a whole massage. But this one, that woman dealt with my body. That mama, guys, God bless her soul and her heart. She gracefully massaged my body so nicely. Very hard, not too hard, but like it was the right pressure that I needed for my body. Also, I think my body was so tense. I don't know why. My body was very tense. It's sore right now. I think this is how a person is supposed to feel actually after having a massage. You're supposed to feel, your body's supposed to be very sore because you've been through a massage, and then after a few days, then it lets go, and then you start feeling rejuvenated, fresh, you know. But that was refreshing anyway. Also, didn't she massage my boobs? Guys, I almost screamed. Like, this woman massaged my boobs. It has never happened to me before. But anyway, then the massage was nice, guys. The massage was super nice. And then I went and got my detergent, my favorite detergent. I went and got it. Also, didn't I bump into because I started my skincare last year around November. I started using Asian products for my skin, and they've been working very well, guys. Like, my skin was very dry, as you maybe seen one of my vlogs in November where I was complaining about my skin being very dry like for years now. And I got to this country, I tried out one of the moisturizers and it worked. And yeah, so I had needed to restock on my cleanser, on my collagen cleanser, and also the moisturizer. I bought the big one. I didn't show it on the video, but I'll show you guys. I'll show it to you guys just now. Okay, so I had to quickly get up and go and get it. So this is the moisturizer that I use for my face. So I bought the big one so that I don't have to struggle or restock it again. I bought my favorite whites, the ones that I was talking about the other day, and I stocked like a few of these, 4 or 5, and then I bought my collagen. I bought 2 of these. I still have 2 more. They're not finished yet, but I restocked just in case I don't get any Asian flights anytime soon. I know that my self-care products are like taking off for like a month or 2, but I know it's not possible to not get an Asian flight. But I'm just saying, rather to be safe than sorry. Okay, this video is long enough. It's like 4 minutes. Anyway, yeah, guys, I'm gonna drink my tea and try to sleep. So it's not focusing. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in Dubai. I'll see you guys in Dubai. Super great morning. I hope you guys are well. Today it is a Thursday. I landed yesterday from Bangkok. Yesterday was Wednesday. I landed yesterday, and guys, I was so exhausted. I couldn't even do anything. Like, I slept the entire evening and the entire morning today. I don't have much to do for the day, so I'm just here to open up the vlog and let you guys know that I am back in Dubai and I am still breathing. Okay, I am breathing. Well, I'm trying. Yeah, as I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. Probably I'll just be in bed as I am right now, so there's not much to do. So yeah, I'll find things to do maybe tomorrow. But yeah, welcome back to Dubai.
Happy Valentine. I told you, tell her it's lovely. You say my name.
No, you didn't say any name. I heard delivery.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Give me my hands. Oh.
We're obviously gonna share.
My friend and I are going out for a sushi date, and this is the look. Nice, simple, cozy, because it's a bit chilly outside. Remember, I told you that Dubai is currently chilly. And this is how I look. My friend says I look like money. I don't know how money looks like, but I'm pretty sure it looks like this. Yeah, joker. What in the damn is this? What in the damn is this? Do you know that? Super great morning. Today it is the 14th of February. Happy Lovers Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Bolala. Guys, it's currently morning. It's 10:30. I woke up at 10. And I need to go to the bank. I think I might have lost my bank card. So I blocked it last night. So I want to go and request a new bank card. I also need to go and drop off my uniform at the laundry and pick up another set of uniform. I have a flight on Sunday or Monday to Singapore. What else? Yeah, so I want to get up now, but the devil is a liar. He wants to keep me in bed, and I will get up now and go. It's 10. I'm not used to morning errands, guys, but I'm going to do it. So I'm going to get up now, take a shower, get dressed, and run those errands. Okay, let's do this. Chinchani. I'm kidding, guys. I'm ready. It's 11 a.m. It's almost 12. And I'm ready to go to the laundry. So we'll start by the laundry. Come back, drop off my uniform, and then go to the mall, go to the bank to request a new bank card, and then probably shop for a few stuff. And yeah, this is me, guys, and this is the scent of the day. This girl here. But I don't know. No, let me change it. Let's do this girl here. Well, like she goes along with the fit, you know. It's quite Lokuzana. It's very cloudy outside, hence the fit. I told you guys, Dubai is a bit acting up right now, and I hope it's just for now. And then we top up the body mist with the girl. Yeah. Guys, we need to be turning heads, man. People need to be turning at the mall. Because you have this girl. And you must be generous. Be generous. Be generous. You need to be generous with your perfume. Yes, it is expensive, but it must smell good. And yeah, and then when we step outside, it's gonna look like this. And okay, the bag of the moment. I bought this bag a week ago, and I just took it outside the box and put it inside my wardrobe, but I haven't really unboxed it. So it's still made in bag. So this is gonna be the girl of the moment today. So I need to break off the tags and remove the plastics. Yeah, so when I come back, when I go to the bank, I'll be with my girl here. But you know, for now, I'm gonna carry the normal Emirates big bag because I need to put my laundry in there. But yeah, this is gonna be the look, guys. Alright, let's go. This is the fit. I told you guys, it is my season. I'm kidding, guys, but yeah, this is the fit and the look for the day. Hi guys, I just came back from the mall. I didn't go to the the bank, because when I got there, they're like, child, you know what? Yeah, it's a long story. Anyway, I bought some few things for the house, some scented candles, and a vase for my flowers, and a mug. Like, okay, let me show them to you guys. Before I show you guys, like, this is so funny. Okay, so I live in it's an accommodation for us, right? For cabin crew members, guys. Downstairs, flowers are coming in like this. The girls. It's so funny, guys. The security guys, I'm pretty sure they're overwhelmed by the flowers that are coming in right now. Like, the guys have stepped up. Just downstairs, guys, it's full of flowers. Flowers are just coming into the cabin crew girlies. Yes, the girls, yes. This is me and the flowers that my friend bought me. Happy Valentine's Day. Super great afternoon. Today it is a Saturday. I'm not sure what the date is today. Oh, it's the 15th of February. Yeah, it's the 15th. It's a Saturday. It's in the afternoon, around about 3 p.m. And guys, I'm going through a lot today. Diagoa, I'm going through it. I'm going through the most. It's that time of the month, and it's literally my first day. I don't know, I'm going through everything at this time. You know, I just actually realized something weird about my days of the month. Instead of me having like weird cravings like other girls, eating too much, and instead I have pregnancy symptoms. Like, it has just been me. When I am on my period, I would feel all the pregnancy symptoms that, okay, I've been pregnant before, so I know. So yeah, like I would feel all nauseous and dizzy. I just want to sleep. Like I feel depressed. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm going through it right now. I am going through it. So I'm just here to close off the vlog. If you've made it this far, thank you so much, my love. You deserve the world. You deserve the world. And please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, to comment on what I can do better, where I can improve. And thank you very much. Do not forget to share if you want to. But yeah, so that's it for this week. I will see you guys on another vlog. I think tomorrow I am off, so we're gonna be uploading the video and we're gonna start again vlogging on Monday. I think I am going to Singapore on Monday. I'm really not sure if it's going to be Monday morning or Monday night, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on another vlog. I will see you on another vlog. Thank you.